Moto sana Spokelewa. Sikiza. Nikiwa njaa muenda kwa boda na manga.
Kwa nini boda? Mbona boda? Mbona boda? Kuna mahali pengine unaweza kula lazima uende boda.
Ni nyingi ya mketi.
Bro, mbona mabjana mnapenda kushtua? Kwa sababu hebu piga hiyo sana. Nairobi paka na manga ni pesa ngapi? 800. Anaenda kula chakula pesa ngapi? Unaishi wapi?
Ruai.
Na sunga kula Ruai. Kusia na wewe pesa. Hiyo ni kwetu bro, mapema. Awe toka hapo. Toka kwenda.
Nyingi ya mketi usani. Bana hii ni Spokelewa.
Hiyo ni kuharibu pesa budo. Wewe toka hapo unaenda kula na manga. Na manga sunga tu wewe. Hiyo ni unrealistic. Watu kama unaenda kula na manga kitu chako ni nzuri. Wewe enda toka, jitoe. Sasa breakfast na manga. Unapanda gari unarudi. Lunch na manga. Supper na manga. Kwa siku hiyo watu wana pesa. But I think ni bangi. Ni bangi.
Hey guys, welcome to yet another video. We missed you guys. I missed you. It's been 2 weeks since I posted, but here we were on our way to Namanga. Our first stop was Kitengela, just doing some few exercises and waiting for some few people in Kitengela. Yeah, feel free to subscribe. There are lots of videos. We've gone to Suswa, we've gone to Hell's Gate, we've gone to Rolf Place, we've gone to Kitui Revelation Park, lots of places. Feel free to watch those videos and yeah, let's have fun. Yeah, can we have fun? Life is for the living, that's what we always say. Yeah, this trip is one of the best trips that I've had. Actually, it's one of the one that's quite distance all the way to TZ border. It's so amazing. Yeah, so follow through. Feel free to skip to any part that you want as usual. Let's go.
Hi guys, welcome to Border, Tanzania. I don't know, Namanga. Yeah, welcome to Suluhu's place. We are in Suluhu's place. Yeah. Kujeni to vlog at our Kirero.
Okay.
Hi guys, how are you? Beautiful people. I'm doing Buji.
Hi guys, my name is Finn, aka Josephine. I'm just having a lot of fun today with Triple T Travelers. You know, it's my 3rd time traveling with the company, and then today we are at Namanga One Stop Border. We are going to rooftop, and then we're gonna see the club and then have fun. People are going to swim. You know, we just ate and all. I just feel fantastic. One thing about traveling with this group is that you can never be bored. No room for depression, guys.
Mi nitasema kama ndugu yangu mwingine niliona katika mazishi ya mtukufu aliyekuwa waziri mkuu wa Kenya. Aliyekuwa waziri mkuu wa Kenya. Tumeingia nchi ya Jumuiya ya Tanzania bila hati miliki ya kusafiri, kwa jina nyingine passport. Yes, nashukuru. Kwa majina naitwa Lefty. Nimetravel na Triple T kwa miaka kama 10 hivi.
Umelipa umachu kukuja huku. Na so far umeona Diamond ama Harmonize?
Kwa sasa walikuwa wamesafiri katika mazishi ya mtukufu Raila Amolo Odinga.
Okay.
Lefty
nice. So this was the famous Tanzania Namanga One Stop Border. Here we just stopped by to take some photos and just to interact more with other groups. Yeah, it's quite epic. It's good to have these memories. This place is quite hilly, quite mountainous. It's really nice. I loved it. This is another stop where this is the same place, just another distance. Here we're buying some jewelry, some bangles, Actually, there are more Maasais in TZ than in Kenya, apparently. Yeah, so just here walking around.
Hello.
Habari yako mama? Wauza nini?
Buda gotia kamera.
Nini bendera ya Sudani?
Buda gotia kamera.
Kama hii yangu.
Kuloko mbele kwenye mic. Mwisho.
Nice. Wait, we want to address the nation.
Baba.
Niko na yeye.
Uko na yeye? Angalia magoi.
Niko sawa. Nah.
My name is Sylvia. I'm Sylvia. I'm from Bika. It's my first time here and it's so much fun. I'm Vivian and welcome to Namanga.
I'm Junior. Yeah, we're here today with Triple T, and as I can say, this is a you should also try Triple T because this is a very fabulous experience. Today we are at Namanga, and yeah, we are enjoying ourselves, and yeah, thank you, and you should definitely try Triple T.
Very single. Thank you, Triple T. Allah. Take a photo.
A photo sawa.
Yeah, a photo would be nice.
Kwa wenye unauliza kwani tulifikaje Namanga bila the dancing and the bus. Yeah. Yeah, as usual for us, for fun, yeah, I just cropped most of it out, but here's a glimpse of what was happening in the bus. Actually, hawapa walikuwa wamechoka. There was more to this. There was more. Walikuwa wamechoka, but anyway. This is our one stop for eating for lunch. Lunch was inclusive in the package. 3,000 inclusive of all these. This is amazing, right? Courtesy of Triple T Adventures. Yeah, so there was meat, there was rice, all that. There was also some jewelry. People were buying some jewelry over here. Just to stay alive. Jewelry, there's a So finally we were in the famous rooftop. This place is the peak. This is the peak moment. Yeah, this was the peak moment of Namanga. This place was so amazing. Hapo nachukua photo yenye unakuta shine yani photo yenye you'll remember for the rest of your time. Yeah.
Like that's now. Hi.
Some of the movies. Yeah, so this shows the part of our team. Looking nice. Your girls are looking really nice. It's so pretty as usual. This rooftop lounge, it's amazing. Hi guys, welcome to Namanga.
Thank you. Where's Songa?
So niambie hivyo. Niambie hivyo. You can also be doing it.
Hi guys, welcome to Namanga.
Tanzanian currency you divide by, is it 19 or 17? Yes, not that much. The manual exaggerates. Geo 150,000, 200,000. It wasn't that much. It wasn't that much of a big deal. Yeah, nitaonyesha videos of just it. These ladies are really hard found. I don't know the vibe ni nini. I don't know the value for their money. Yeah? Feel free, just do you, have fun, take the photos. Yeah, it's more of you live once and all that shit. Kujibamba ni lazima. Hapo kuja kama umeboeka tunakuacha roho safi. It's always vibe after vibe, meeting strangers being friends and all that. This place was so nice. Mpaka acha tu ni jump into frame. Let me also jump into frame niwaambie. Lazima mnione pia mimi. Lazima. Sikuwe ulitumiwa videos ukaedit au kwa hapo. Acha ningie into frame. Hi guys, welcome to Namanga, Tanzania. We just a budget of 3,000 to get to experience this trip. Courtesy of Triple T Adventures. I'm a solo trip. You can drive, by the way. You can drive all the way from Nairobi all the way to Tanzania. It's not actually far. It took us just like it was like 4 hours. Yeah, 4 hours because we had some stops. But yeah, sure thing. Just tag along. Come to Namanga. Enjoy this beautiful view with us. Yeah. The disadvantage of it, the pool was quite small. Yeah, the pool is small, relatively small. So that's the only thing that wasn't so cool about it. Otherwise, the trip was 7 out of 10. 7 out of 10 is the trip. feel free, hop in to the next one. You'll really love it.
Okay, Gaki, swali. Hiyo pombe ni za redeem na chakula? Yes, please.
Alafu nimekaa hivi nikafikiria nikiweza pika chai kwa pan naziita party ama niko zangu.
Yeah, tulikwambia this, some people redeemed their 800 ya entrance ya rooftop, wale redeem na hizi ma Smirnoff drinks. Yeah, you can redeem na 800, that's like 4 drinks. Yeah, with a Smirnoff. Or you can also redeem with food and all that. Hapa mapenzi ilishika. Acha tu Raila ongea, awaambie mambo ya mapenzi cause mimi siwezani mambo ya mapenzi. So Raila bu waambie what's happening here cause mimi sielewi.
Kama unaona mchana ambaye ni mrembo na unamtaka, kawaida ongea na yeye. Umtongoze. Jaribu kumtongoza na maneno matamu. Lakini ukienda kujaribu mara ya kwanza, atakwambia kwenda huko. Ya pili, kwenda huko. Ya tatu atakwambia ulisemaje?
Sasa tumeingia kwa video za club. Video za club ndo hizi from here hadi mwisho. Please kama ni mtoto just log off. I know YouTube channel ni yangu na nataka views and all that, the subscription. But for your sake, okay, it wasn't that bad, but just log off. You can leave the video from here and hopefully see the next videos that are popping up, yeah, or just go view the videos that you're not watching this channel. But kama ni mtoto under 17, under 18, please over buy tutalo how do you say it in what is buy in Kikuyu? Okay, no, what is buy? Buy in Kikuyu, I don't know. Buy already doesn't Kijaluo over, that's French. Tutaonana baadaye masa zingine that's Swahili ama sijui, but okay, from here ni club. So bye guys, bye watoto, bye. na tukamaliza na DJ alimaliza na wimbo za gospel for wishing us safe journey back to Nairobi. Yeah, and that was it for Namanga. Listen to Pastor Nganga as you subscribe, and see you on the next video. Bye guys, I love you all. I love you girls. See you in the next.
Pastor, umeona watu wanakufa wakifika 80. Uko tayari? Uliza mama yako. Uliza mama yako ndio anakuelezea. Some this question don't ask me. Please mind your own business. Don't enter. Usigie kwenye hii kuleta matuzi yako hiyo. Watu wanakufa na 80, si wakufe tu. Hata wezi ukufe, si ufuate hawa. Mimi am a preacher. Kwa wanawake wanaenda kuzikana. We, sina teki silani. Thank you Joshua. Sina hiyo wanataka kuleta mshahara mbaya. God bless you guys.